Hello everyone, welcome to DeCliff, and today we are joined with a successful Forex trader from XM.
Good afternoon, viewers. I am Samuel Adenisu Ubamayala, and with me today I have a very successful Forex trader. This is OluGbemi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice to be here with you today.
It's an honor. I'm very, very grateful, ma. Ma, we ask you some questions for the traders that are struggling out there.
Okay.
So the first question is that how did you get into Forex trading?
Okay, so let me do a little bit of introduction first, Lana. My name is OluGbemi. I've been trading professionally since 2015 January. Although before then I had a little bit of experience, in the stock market, buying and selling of shares. However, in 2015 I started professional trading. So that's like 10 years plus. So in January it's going to be 11 years since I've been trading. How did I get into trading? I was working in the banking sector. I was an auditor, and I would audit accounts of different departments. And I realized that there was this particular department that was doing very well, when it comes to all the bonuses that other departments were not getting. They were doing well, which is like the FinCon, the foreign exchange unit. And, I picked interest. This foreign exchange is something that an individual could do. But as of that time, I felt, I needed millions of dollars before I could start it. So a friend of mine, I was with her, we were just talking about what we could do on the side. And she started to show me on her phone that she's doing something, foreign exchange trading, and with $100 you could start. That was like interesting. Is it possible that someone can actually do trading with very small amounts? So she mentioned it. I started to look into it, started to learn about it, and fortunately for me, I didn't start on the right foot, because of that time I went on YouTube and I would just watch one video or the other, and I was very eager to jump into the market and start trading. So within a short period of time, I started trading with live trading, with live accounts. I put in my money. I would do them maybe like 2 days. I put in my money and I would start trading. But that's basically how I started. I was a self-taught initially on my own. I just went online, search YouTube, search Google, what is Forex, how is it done? And then I started small. Before, when I realized I wasn't doing well in the market, I had to go and do proper learning of how to trade. But that's how I started.
Oh, okay, ma. Thank you very much, ma. But ma, what was your biggest challenge then?
I think it was lack of proper education. Starting trading on the wrong foot, it's a very bad one. If you learn to do trading the proper way, which is one of the very interesting thing about the broker we both partner with, which is XM, they give that opportunity for education. A lot of people do not value education. I think in this part of our part of the world, a lot of people do not value education, and I think that was my own problem too. I didn't have the time to sit down and someone teaching me how to trade. I just wanted to make the money. So I jumped into the market too fast without having proper understanding. Little things like knowing how to calculate my number of pips properly, knowing how to calculate my lot size before I enter a trade. These were little things that were making me to blow off my trading account. So as of that time, if you're looking for one of the gas, the leader of account blowers, I probably will be one of them. So it was like every 2 weeks, account is blown. I'll go and put in another money, and then I'll blow the account again.
That's very interesting. But how long did it take for you to become profitable?
I think it took me like 3 years. The first 2 years was really bad. So by the third year, I already mastered not blowing my account again. You understand? So not blowing my account again, but the profitability just started to come like the fourth year. It will come, just normal in trading. Even till now, there are some weeks, months that you probably won't make anything. And there are some months that you will do amazingly well. So getting to a level of profitability, it took me a while. For me, it took like 3 years. But for some people, within few months, because they started on the right foot, I didn't start properly. So I think that's a problem for me. But it took me, I'd say, approximately 3 years before I started to do really well in the market.
Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Ma, what kind of trader are you? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper?
I'm a swing trader, I would say. A swing trader, and I love to combine analysis style. So I love to analyze what's happening in the economy to have like a background understanding of why price is moving the way it moves. And then I go ahead to do technical analysis. So a combination of fundamental and technical analysis. And I love to do patterns trading. When it comes to technical, I do more of patterns. I try to figure out the patterns that are forming on the chart to have an idea the direction that the market is going. So basically, I love to hold on to my trade. I don't do very short term where I go in and out of the market within a short period of time. Although that's how I started. So it's not like I don't have an idea of how to do it. But you know, with experience, I realize because I have other things doing. So if you have a day job, maybe you have a business and you're looking to trade. Interesting thing about the market is you can choose whatever style you want. If you have the whole day to yourself, you can choose to be a day trader. If you know that you're busy, like um, I have an academy where I teach people how to trade. I also am a trading expert with XM Global. So I am busy. I am a mom. I have children at home, so I get busy sometimes. And what is the trading style that will fit someone like me? Is swing trading. Does that mean that day trading is not good? No, not at all. I know in XM Global we have about 15 trading experts from different parts of the world, and some of us are scalpers, some of us are day traders, intraday traders, swing traders, and everyone is doing well in their own way. So I would say every trading style can work for you, but you need to know your personality. But for me, the swing trading that I do mainly.
Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Ma, do you have any advice to those traders that are struggling out there?
Oh, well, I would say education first. I spoke with a mentor of mine a long time ago, and he told me something. He said, the new rule of money has changed. And what is the new rule of money? Knowledge. If there's something that is helping me to do well in the market and you're still struggling, it means I know something that you don't know. So, what do you need to do to be able to get a level of consistency? Try to understand that thing that I know that you don't know. And what is that? Knowledge acquisition. So, you need to bridge that gap, knowledge gap. So, very important for any new trader to ensure that the they take in that knowledge and joining a broker that gives you the opportunity is very important. If you can join a broker that gives you free education, or like you also you teach, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's an opportunity to learn how to trade properly. But education first. And another thing that is very important is risk management. It is very important to understand that as a trader, your you're risking, it's a risky market. You can either lose your money or you can make money. So you need to go in with understanding of what risk management involves and learn it and apply it for every single trade you take in the market. Another advice I would also give is learning about your mind, your trading psychology. So if you understand the strategy, very important to have your strategy though. So you have a strategy that works. But why am I not making money? My strategy is working, but I'm not making money. You need to then learn risk management, how to manage your risk so that when you lose, you are losing small. When you're making money, you're making big. At the end of the day, what we are looking for is net profit. We are not looking for, every trade has to be profitable, because we cannot control the market. But for you to be able to follow those rules, you have to be disciplined. And that's why your trading psychology comes in, your mindset that you bring into the market. So if you can apply all of this, have proper strategy that you have tested, use demo account to test your strategy to be sure that the strategy is working, and then apply proper risk management and your mindset, trading psychology. I think if you can do all of this, it will go a long way in helping you attain success in the market.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Thank you very much, ma.
You're
Last
welcome.
question. What broker do you recommend for them?
Of course, XM Global. And this is not because I'm a trading instructor or a trading expert with XM Global. A trader can take their time and go, search, look at other brokers what do they offer? What opportunity do they offer you? In Ikeja, Lagos, for instance, we have a training center. The training center is free for every client of XM. So what that means is that you can just walk in there and you get high quality education. And I tell you, because for me, you can see the way I'm talking, you will know that I'm a coach. I like to take my time to really teach people. So I tell you that the quality of education you will get is top notch. So you're getting top notch education free of charge. Because if you come to my academy, for instance, you're paying big money to learn, especially in a physical place where we pay money to rent that place. So XM gives you that opportunity to education, and they also offer a trading platform that is seamless. So, of course, if I am going to recommend any broker, it has to be XM because I have tested XM. I've withdrawn money all the time. I've deposited. It's seamless to deposit, seamless to withdraw. You can trade with very small amount, as little as $5. You can start trading with XM. So if you are looking for the best broker to trade with, of course, XM Global is where you should be.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Very, very grateful. And I'm sure people out there, people that are watching, will be grateful. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. And thank you, everyone. We look forward to have you with us.